Cardboard Quest
at all.
Episode are we on? Episode
4.
Hello and welcome back to episode 4 of Cardboard Quest tutorials. Today
Woo!
we are making head garments. I believe that's the thing.
Yep.
So yeah.
Well, I'm going to go punk today and I'm going to do a mohawk. And actually, I came prepared today.
That is...
Mohawking it up.
Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be making today.
It's like the basic form,
kind of
and then
idea.
you can go crazy.
Yeah.
Good is
There.
it?
Lils! What
Today I am going to make a mullet. Yep, you heard it here. A mullet is going to be made out of cardboard. I have not practiced this one, but I've got a fantastic plan in my head and it will be modelled on yours truly.
Yeah, I look forward to that, to be honest.
Yay!
So have you all got the things that you need?
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah, ready to,
roughly.
Oh,
ready
God, we're
to
so
go.
prepared.
Right, I'm cutting a strip out. You've already got your strips.
Yeah, I've got my
haven't you?
strips and I'm going to whip this one off. Very roughly cut, but yeah, it fits
Yeah.
on my head. So,
So what would you say the purposes of doing the headbands?
Well, it's like
That's so tight.
Fatted.
getting a base for your
Yeah,
whatever
that's it.
creation
That's
you're
what
going
I
to
would
have.
say. Is that
Things to
you
it.
Yeah.
start with your kind of core framework, and then you can build your decorative side of it off from there.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've had to add an extension because you've got a fat head.
So, yeah. Just so much brains going on in there. You're taping it together.
Literally just taping it together.
Cool. So you measured it around your head, and now you
yeah,
just stick it
literally
together.
measured it around my head, taped it together, and I can always check if it fits, which
Perfection.
it
No.
does very securely. So.
Excellent. That's
Go
looking
for
good.
it. My spikes are actually going to just be on almost like another band, which is going to go kind of upwards, and it forms the kind of basis for the spiky hair.
Yeah.
I don't want it to come too high because I want it to
Yeah.
look like the spikes kind of coming out my own head.
So you've now got your headband.
So I've got my headband.
So what are you doing now?
So now I'm cutting. Oh, you ruined my concentration. So now I'm just using this, and I'm intending on cutting strips. So then that's like the spikes at the front. Cause,
Oh,
it's like,
got you. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what's at the front.
Yeah.
That's looking really good. It
Thanks.
fits you kind of perfectly.
Yeah, so I suppose the good thing about doing it
Oh
like
my
this is you
God.
can do it made to measure.
It looks like a giant cheese string thing.
Just trying to go with it.
I mean, you're making sure that's secure on
Yeah,
there.
you want to make sure your base is
Yeah.
secure
enough.
So, I mean, if I sort of go,
Yeah.
right,
It's not going anywhere.
this is the basis for my mohawk. And now all I've got to do is add my hair spikes.
Nice. So what are you doing for your hair
So
spikes
what
now?
I've already done is cut out random hair spikes, and all I'm going to do is fold about 1 centimetre from the end, and I just basically start building onto my structure.
Just attaching my fringe.
Yeah, that's
It's got great
impressive.
movement in it.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have got business in the front. So now we got to do the party in the back. So for my party in the back, I have already started cutting some.
They're in the masking tape.
So I was saying, I have already started cutting some strips for hair because I thought this might take a while.
Strip.
Different cardboards, different textures, different lengths. Because I think that might just work nicer.
Yeah, well, that's it. Hair
Is different.
is kind of like, you want layers and stuff to...
Layers.
What you're doing on yours
Yeah.
is you're folding the edge,
Yeah,
and then you're sticking just to the top of the band.
I am, and I'm just reinforcing on the outside with
Yeah.
some masking tape as well.
I'm going to work this differently, I think.
As you can see, they're all different lengths. Anyway.
Has Does anybody hear that?
Hear what?
It's Chester's 10-second takeover! You are at home thinking, oh, I just don't have the time to get involved in Cardboard Quest.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Well, I'm telling you, you have got time for that. And I'm going to prove it to you.
I don't believe it!
I've got a pretty good track record.
Cabbage mine.
Yeah, I mean, it's lost it.
And your guitar,
My
look.
guitar and, oh, my drum. I'm not sure where that ended up. It looks a lot like a pizza box. So
Oh yeah, I think
could-
it's just re-become a pizza box again.
Well, it can quite easily become a drum again.
Yeah, well, 3.
Let's do this.
Oh. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, 5,
Halfway.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Done here.
Yeah.
Like a rock
Beat
out
to me.
and everything. So there we go. I've now got luscious locks ready for Cardboard Quest. How's it going with you two?
Yeah, great.
Some really exasperated.
Well, it's just a lot of energy.
Yeah, going well, thanks. Good.
Do you want to show us what you've done so far?
Dying. I'm gonna show you I'm dying. No worries, brother. So here's me front.
Yeah.
The front of it, and then the party
Oh
is
my
beginning
God.
in the back. Woo!
I've done a mixture of 2 separate spikes, and then I've just literally taped 2 together to kind of make one central spiky spike in the
Yeah,
back.
nice.
I would love to see someone, so here's a challenge, to do a proper boy band kind of swoosh hair.
Well, like a Bieber cut.
Like a
Like
baby,
a Bieber, like a, yeah,
Yeah.
but like, you know, boy bands, they loved a bit of a swooshy hair. I feel like it might be quite hard to make out of cardboard, so I'd like to see it if someone can.
Looking at the Beatles, and they've got these kind of funny bowl cuts. So you could do something kind of
yeah.
Same
Cool
kind of
with
vibe
that,
as
with-
like the swoosh as well, isn't it?
yeah,
Like
with maybe
that.
some kind of the rounded glasses.
I don't know when's enough's enough.
Maybe
Well,
try it on, see how it
I
looks.
mean, that is looking mighty fine, I will say.
It's so good.
That was really... I might actually have to have a mullet around.
Just had a little line in here.
Oh, we're forming, we're evolving as we go
Slit in
here.
there, and then that.
Oh, nice! Oh, developing
So
techniques
nice.
here.
Even when Cardboard Quest is over, we're going to keep coming to you. We've been just
Yeah, we can get an editor.
Okay, I think I'm done.
I think you're done.
Yeah, so obviously, you can keep it this colour or you colour it in.
Yeah.
Up to you.
Yeah,
Do wacky
definitely.
colours.
You can keep the
But-
cardboard look or you can go for a bit of colour.
Yeah.
What do we think, guys?
That is epic.
I'm going to crown you with your
I feel like, oh my god.
Do you feel like a
I
new
just
person?
feel like I've powered up.
Do you?
Yeah.
You look like it!
I just feel like...
Let's turn around. Whoa.
I reckon, like, with that, you could definitely go for some colour. Like some like
coloured
pink spikes and
Yeah,
stuff.
even if it was like the tips,
Yeah.
you know, like, is it pulling down because it's
Yeah.
heavy?
I just get
Yeah, I
it
think
on
I
my
reckon
ears.
if you added some colour to this, it would look awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
No,
don't-
it looks awesome anyway.
It looks
It's
really
cool.
good. I really like it.
There we
it.
go.
Woo!
Pretty good going, really. We've showed to you today that making some costume pieces, so some hairdos, is very much possible out of some cardboard. And you should try and do
Get
some.
back to the eye.
Oh, no,
And
sorry.
you should try and do something at home too. Don't forget to share it with us
Yep.
by using the hashtag Cardboard Quest. That's the one, Cardboard Quest, hashtag Cardboard Quest, so we can find it. If you want to find out more details on the competition, because there is a bit of a competition going on with Cardboard Quest, go to www.hullabalooiw.com/Cardboard Quest. See you next time on the last episode of Cardboard Quest Tutorials. Bye!
Bye.